Guys, we are here. First, you will see it first in my YouTube channel. My first vlog ever for the project called Brookstone Park, located in Trece Martires, Cavite. 3 to 5 minutes away to SM Trece. O, diba guys, so napakaganda ng location. 3 to 5, minutes lang sa SM, diba? Saan ka pa? So, we're gonna have some tour. Kasi itong project na to, guys, it's an exclusive subdivision with complete amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse, parks and playground, and everything you need. And at the same time, meron ditong lot only, may single detached, may single attached, at meron ding townhouse. Puntahan natin yung single detached muna, guys. Okay? Let's look for it. Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome to Brookstone Park. O diba, sabi ko sa inyo guys first time to sa aking YouTube channel here in Trece Martires, Cavite. Pero dahil napakaganda ng location along the highway, 3 to 5 minutes nga sa SM. Nandito ako ngayon, papakita ko sa inyo ang affordable single detached house na nasa likod ko ngayon. Yan siya guys. Ayan, we're gonna have a house tour. Pag sinabi natin single detached, diba? Wala siyang firewall. So, yung bahay nasa gitna, yung harap mo, yung likod mo, left and right mo, napapaligiran ng lupa. Yun po yung single detached na tinatawag. Floor and lot area showing on the screen right now. Pagpasok namin guys, ang una mong mapapansin yung kanyang ganito, classic design. Meron siyang parang accent exterior na tinatawag, ganon. Tapos, pagpasok natin guys, ganito na rin yung turnover ng ating door. Ayan. So, naka 60 by 60 yung ating tiles. Ito siya guys. So, pinapakita ko din sa screen yung kanyang kung ano yung turnover niya, diba? Details. Ito yung magiging kitchen area mo. So, actually guys, in fairness, for the floor area, it's actually not bad. Kasi tignan mo yung living space mo dito guys. Ang luwag pa niya, no? Pakita ko sa inyo. Luwag pa niya. And at the same time, ang laki ng space mo sa ibaba ng hagdan. Tignan niyo yan guys. Tapos meron kang toilet and shower dito. Ayan. So yung first floor toilet and shower mo, pahaba siya. Pero at least kung meron kayong elderly, diba? Or PWD, meron kang bedroom sa baba. Yun ang maganda dun guys. A single at detached house with toilet and shower and a bedroom sa first floor. At dito sa likod niya guys, ganito pa. Ayan. Ang luwag na to. Dahil nga naka-single detached ka guys, so diba? Nalilibot mo siya. Nalilibot mo yung buong paligid ng unit mo, ng bahay mo. Kasi nga detached, diba? Let's go. Diba? Second floor. Oh, diba guys? Ang ganda ng pinong stairs. For this single detached. And here, yung hallway natin, meron tayo bedroom number 2. So this is your bedroom number 2. In total, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, okay? So bedroom 2 and your master's bedroom. This is your master's bedroom, guys. Queen size or double size bed can actually fit in here. That's your master's. And this is your toilet and shower. Number 2. Mas malaki syempre yung toilet and shower mo sa second floor. O, diba guys? Wow, can you see that? Can you see the beauty of your new single detached house here? In Trece Martires, Cavite. Tignan dito guys, oh. Maluwag siya. Maaliwalas siya dito. From the second floor. Parang siya nakalofted eh. Pero hindi. Ayan ang ganda guys. Pwede ka maglagay ng chandelier dyan or drop lights. View from the second floor. Ayan. Our beautiful single detached house and lot. Here in Trece Martires, Cavite, Brookstone Park, we have complete amenities. Ma-enjoy ng family nyo yung swimming pool, malaking parks and playground. Did you know guys that in the future, sa harap nito, magkakaroon din tayo ng mga commercial spaces. And according to the developer, yung mga allowed lang na mag-avail doon sa commercial space na yun na along the highway, harap mismo ng subdivision, ay yung mga homeowners or yung mga naka-avail na dito sa residential natin, okay? So before I move on to another model, I want to show you the sample computation so you can see how affordable our offer for this single detached here in Trece Martires. So showing on the screen right now, guys, okay? So ayan siya, and just remember that we don't allow walk-ins. So strictly no walk-ins. You have to contact me directly as soon as possible. If magpapaschedule ng viewing at least 1 to 2 days before, okay? 1 to 2 days before, pag magpapatipin po kayo sa akin for this project. And at the same time, you can also do online reservation if you prefer that. Why not? Okay? You just have to show me your initial requirements showing on the screen right now. Okay, guys? So that's all you need to know. It's very easy and it's very smooth, and there are more model units to discover here at Brookstone Park. So join me. Let's go. Hey guys, another single detached model here at Brookstone. Let's go. Let's have a house tour. So, pag single detached, then, yung space mo sa lahat ng corner ng bahay. Welcome to our model. So, actually guys, minimalist siya. You would be surprised how affordable this single detached model here. You can you imagine, you can actually own a single detached, no? Sa murang halaga. Tapos meron pa siya dito storage sa ibaba ng hagdan. And here guys, dito yung magiging ano. So merong separation yung dining and living space. And at the same time, may another access door ka dito sa side ng bahay mo. At ito yung L-shaped kitchen. Yan siya. Yan siya guys, okay? And here, you have a toilet and shower sa baba, syempre. Ayan yung ating toilet and shower. And bedroom 1. So, bedroom 1 to guys, hindi lang natin nilagyan ng kama ngayon, pero may bedroom ka sa baba, okay? At may CR ka pa rin sa baba. Let's go to the second floor of our single detached model. Aluwag siya sa part ng pag-ayos. And over here. This is your bedroom number. Nakalock. Pero may bedroom number 2 ka dyan. And this is your master's bedroom. So, for this single detached, guys, we have a total of also the same thing. 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and shower. But we have a balcony area. See? You have a balcony for this single detached model. The balcony has a size that can fit like a plant or a small chair and a small table. And also the access is actually on your master's bedroom. So dito maluwag pa siya. Dito ka pwedeng maglagay. Ngayon may tinambak lang kami. Pero ang laki pa ng space dito. Gagawin mo itong customized closet. Ayan, yung space na yan guys, ha? Toilet and shower sa second floor. Malaki po yung CR natin for the second floor. Your view from the second floor, ganito yung itsura niya guys, ng stairs niya. Ayan yung view niya. Yan, nilagyan siya dito ng ganitong style, para open, hindi masyadong yan. It's actually nice. That's your single detached number 2 model that you can choose from here at Brookstone Park. It's very affordable. Look at our sample computation. So again guys, that's our sample computation and no walk-ins. You just have to contact me as soon as possible if you're interested to do online reservation or on-site reservation. Pinakita ko naman kayo yung initial requirements, diba guys? So, ayan yung kanyang sample computation. very affordable. So what are you waiting for? Contact me now as soon as possible. Bago pa ito maubos kasi we are fast selling. We only have very few units left actually, guys. And meron pa tayong lot only. Papakita ko ng sample competition. Very affordable. Pero malaki po yung lot only natin. Nasa 100 square meter plus po siya. Pero value for money. Kung gusto mo na ikaw yung magtatayo ng future home mo. Let's go. So guys, if you want lot only, so for example, you prefer to build your own home kasi nakilala ka o may kwento, ikaw mismo architect and engineer ka, so gusto mo ikaw yung magtatayo. Lot only lang yung gusto mong i-purchase sa Brookstone Park in Trece Martires, Cavite. No problem. I'm showing on the screen the details for our lot only. Diba guys, no? Very affordable. Can you imagine? Kasi hindi ka naman nagmamadali. For example, sa Manila yung work mo, busy ka, pero in the future, gusto mo meron ka lang naka-ready na residential lot para itayo yung dream home mo, retirement home mo, future home mo, or kung ano man yung business or Airbnb, whatever, na goal mo, di ba guys? Yung lot only natin, napakagaan sa bulsa. Baka nga mas mahal pa yung milk tea or coffee mo dyan, buwan-buwan, di ba guys? Pero meron ka ng residential lot investment here in Brookstone na accessible syempre sa NLEX. Actually, nanggaling pa ako, alam niyo naman, taga Bulacan ako, di ba? Kasi meron din akong investment dito sa area ng Cavite na mga pinaparentahan ko. Kaya ngayon, nakakapag-video ko, nakakapag-update ako kasi hawak ko po lahat ng projects, hindi lamang sa Bulacan, kundi sa Cavite rin. Kaya for any inquiries about Cavite properties, if not just Bulacan properties, you just have to contact me as soon as possible sa aking Viber WhatsApp number, guys. Just mention kung ano ba yung hinahanap mo, ano ba yung requirements mo sa property na kailangan mo, di ba? And don't worry, I'll give you the project that fit your requirements, your income, or your situation right now, okay? Or your goal, definitely your goal, guys, okay? If you are using Messenger, yan yung aking link. Naka-ano yan, naka-blue check yan. You can follow me, legit yan, okay guys? So again, thank you for joining me today sa Cavite, Trece Martires. My name is Nicole. All you have to do is to contact me as soon as possible, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope to see you all soon, guys. Thank you for watching.